This section highlights how to apply the AWS Well Architected framework when considering automating your architecture. Let's look at example best practices for the operational excellence, security, reliability, and cost optimization pillars. These three best practices under the operational excellence pillar are particularly relevant to this module. Performing operations as code, making frequent small changes that can be reversed, and fully automating integration and development. You can use Amazon CloudFormation to support all of these best practices. From a security perspective, you can automate at many different levels. Automated software-based security mechanisms improve your ability to securely scale more rapidly and cost-effectively. This helps you create secure architectures, including the use of controls that are defined and managed as code in version-controlled templates. When it comes to reliability, making changes to production systems is one of the largest risk areas for many organizations. You need to be able to make controlled changes to a system to deploy new functionality. This also helps you to ensure that workloads and operating environments are running properly patched software. To avoid manual approaches, changes to your infrastructure should be done via automation where possible. It's a best practice to use automation wherever it's practical, such as for testing and deploying changes, adding or removing capacity, and migrating data. When replacing impaired resources or scaling your workload, automate the process by using managed AWS services. Automating operations is an important best practice under the cost optimization pillar, from minimizing costs and helping your organization maximize its return on investment. Automating operations reduces the time and effort for admin tasks, deployment, and other operations. When considering automation, evaluate the required time and cost for the effort of operations and reduce the human effort where possible. In this section, we touched on a few of the best practices related to automating your architecture. Infrastructure as code is itself an important part of a well-architected solution. Apply these best practices to automate your architecture in a way that is operationally sound, secure, reliable, and cost-conscious.